Okay, in this video, we're going to go through Finalize Transfer. So what we can see on the screen is we actually have a single pallet. We have a pallet stack, and we have containers. Okay, so all of them are in the My ULD, and once we see that, we can see that we have 3 transfers. If you look at Finalize Transfer, it says 3. So there's 3 different groups of transfers that we have. We can see the summary of it on the screen. We can also delete. So if we don't want a particular, you see that there's a right next to each one there is a trash can. If we press that trash can, we can delete it. And if you see by Finalize Transfer, there's another trash can. If we press that, it'll delete everything. So in this video, we're going to finalize transfer. We're going to say, okay, all these items we want to transfer, so we press Finalize Transfer. At this point, we can then choose whether it's an incoming transfer or an outgoing. So this time we're going to say it's outgoing, and our remarks are going to be many types of transfers. Okay, and we then press the sign off button. When we press the sign off button, it goes, okay, now you're doing a transfer, it's going out, who are you giving it to? So when we press opposing party, we're going to type test. So when we type, as we type, it will filter available based on what we're typing. So if you type air, then you're going to get a lot. But if you were looking for a particular airline, you just start typing that name of that airline, and it will filter it out to show you available options. In this case, I typed test, so I've got 2, test airline 1, test airline 2. I'm going to select test airline 2. The signatory I'm going to say is Dan Brown. And when we are doing the transfer, we want Dan Brown to sign. So Dan is there. He's from Test Airline 2. He types his name in, and then he does a signature. Okay, and we say, okay. If Dan wants to change it, he can come and say, oh, I don't like the way that was done. I want to do it again. Okay. Okay, he's happy with it. Then press confirm. Once you press confirm, you're given a sign-off confirmation. So 1, it shows the transferring party. So we logged in as from Test Airline 1. Our name was Test Mobile BKK. There's our signature. We were transferring to Test Airline 2 to Dan Brown signed for it. There's a signature, and we press confirm. When we do that, it now takes all 3 of those transfers, which contain multiple, in the case of the pallet stack and in the case of the containers, and all the associated pictures that we took, and uploads them to a back-end system. Okay, and done. So if you have only a few pallets or a few entries, then it'll be a little faster. And that is it. You've now done the transfer. Now you can check the videos on how you can see the transfers on the back-end system.